If you're looking to stop recurring charges on your Bank of America account, follow these simple steps to manage your subscriptions and prevent unwanted payments. Step 1. Review your transactions. Log into your Bank of America online banking account or mobile app. Check your recent transactions to identify any recurring charges that you want to cancel. Step 2. Identify the subscription. Once you have located the recurring charge, note the name of the service or merchant associated with it. This will help you in the next steps to ensure you cancel the correct subscription. Step 3. Cancel the subscription directly. Visit the website or app of the service provider associated with the recurring charge. Look for an option to manage your subscription and follow the prompts to cancel it. Make sure to confirm the cancellation. Step 4. Contact Bank of America. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Monitor your account. After cancelling the subscription, keep an eye on your account for the next few weeks to ensure that the charge does not reappear. If it does, contact both the service provider and Bank of America again to resolve the issue. By following these steps, you can effectively stop recurring charges on your Bank of America account. Remember to regularly review your transactions to stay on top of your subscriptions.